Okay, so today we're going to talk about black holes. And the image on the right was the first image of a black hole, and it was taken in April 10, 2017. So, what are black holes? Well, black holes are massive gravitational objects, and you could think of their mass like a basketball with the mass of a house. So, this mass is very massive compared to their size. This means that they have to be extremely dense to keep up the mass for their small size. So, why are black holes called black holes? Well, you could think of it like invisible because most objects reflect light and black holes cannot. So let me make it easier. So if you were looking at the object, let's say it's a blue rectangle, then the light would come from somewhere here, okay? And then it would reflect to your eyes. So that would happen if it was able to reflect. But in a black hole, when the light gets in, it's stuck. And so you won't ever receive the light to come back to you for you to see it. So it'll never see it. So that's why you cannot see the singularity point of a black hole. But you can see the event horizon. And that's the orange disk around the black hole. So, how black holes are formed? So they are formed when a massive star dies. So let me make our star massive. And I'm going to explain how throughout the star's life it dies. So first, all stars have hydrogen in their core. So now this hydrogen in the core will start to fuse because of gravitational pressure. Then the hydrogen will fuse into helium because hydrogen has one proton, helium has two, and 1 plus 1 equals 2. And the helium will fuse to create carbon. And now the carbon will fuse, and so this fusion in the star will balance with gravity. And so in Earth, you could think of it as the electrons. The electrons on the surface of the Earth keep you from going down to the core. So in the star, something has to balance gravity. And so in the star, it's this fusion. But the star dies for the same reason because it loses this balance. So carbon will fuse to neon, neon will fuse to oxygen, oxygen will fuse to silicon, and silicon will fuse to iron. So iron does not fuse. So iron will build up in the core, and soon the balance will be broken. The star will collapse on itself because of gravity compressing the star, and then all the star's mass will be put inside this iron core, and then we'll see a supernova. And now this iron core is now a black hole because it has all the mass of the star, but is not necessarily the same size as the mother star. So now this is a black hole. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!